So first thing first, we're gonna remove all the obstacles out of the way so we can get to the timber. So we're gonna remove the blinds first. The second step will be sanding with 120 grit sandpaper. Step 3, it will be no more gapping, all the cracks. I'm patching all the holes on the frame, but these two holes I'm gonna leave, put back lines on. Step 4, it's using metal spirit to clean all the micro dust. The reason why I'm using metal spirit, because the metal spirit evaporates very quickly, so it doesn't stay too long on timber, and then I can paint straight away afterwards. So step 5 will be applying stain blocker on the varnish. And this is the new one from Zinza. It's odorless, it doesn't smell, it's oil-based. Very important to use oil-based stain blocker for these sort of jobs. Acrylic ones, they don't work very well, so I highly advise to use the oil-based stain blocker. I use Zinza, but anything else, any products in oil-based as a stain blocker should be fine. So I'm using a 50mm brush and microfiber roller, 5mm. Mouse roller, sleeve. So this is it. Just finished priming the stain blocker from Zinza on this window. From now on, if I want to put the acrylic or oil-based top coating on it, it's fine. The stain is not going to come through. If you do acrylic and you put the acrylic on top of that, you're going to have a problem with stain from the timber coming through. So guys, that will be the wrap up. And another thing is I want to give thumbs up to the guys from the Zinza. With this improved odorless, they've done it. They've reduced the smell, I say, about 80%. The only time you can smell it when you put your head in a bucket. That's the only time you can smell a little bit of odor. Cheers guys, till next time.